Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to save even a small portion of your income? You are not alone. Millions of people are caught in the same cycle, unable to break free from financial stress. But what if I told you the secret to wealth has been around for thousands of years? In today's video, we'll uncover the timeless financial wisdom from the classic book The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Stay tuned as we reveal the 5 powerful lessons that can transform your financial future. Key lesson number 1. Pay yourself first, the law of gold. Our first lesson is perhaps the most important. Pay yourself first. In Babylonian times, the richest men knew the secret to accumulating wealth was to save at least 10% of their income. Today, this principle is just as relevant. By consistently saving a portion of your income, you are laying the groundwork for financial stability. In fact, according to a 2022 survey by Bankrate, only 44% of Americans could cover a $1,000 emergency with savings. Imagine the peace of mind you would have by building your own safety net. Key lesson number 2. Live below your means. Next, we dive into the importance of living below your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of overspending, especially with the pressure of keeping up with societal standards. But as the book teaches, controlling your expenditures is key to financial success. By distinguishing between your needs and wants and choosing to spend wisely, you are not only saving more but also avoiding unnecessary debt. According to the Federal Reserve, the average American household carries over $6,000 in credit card debt. Living below your means can help you escape this burden. Key lesson number 3. Make your money work for you. Invest wisely. Saving is just the beginning. To truly build wealth, you must invest those savings. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, the goal is to make your money grow. However, the book warns against risky investments. Always seek advice from those who are knowledgeable. A 2019 study by Dalber shows that the average investor underperforms the market due to poor investment choices. Wise investing can make all the difference. Key lesson number 4. Seek wise counsel. In ancient Babylon, the richest men knew that seeking advice from those with experience was crucial to avoiding costly mistakes. Whether you are investing, saving, or making a major purchase, consulting with a financial advisor or someone who has successfully managed their finances can save you time, money, and stress. As the saying goes, learn from the mistakes of others. You can't live long enough to make them all yourself. Key lesson number 5. Be persistent and take action. The road to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires dedication, patience, and consistent effort. The richest men in Babylon didn't become wealthy overnight. They worked hard, stayed disciplined, and learned from their failures. According to the National Bureau of Economic Research, consistent disciplined saving and investing over time is the most effective way to build wealth. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about making steady progress. Let's quickly recap the 5 key lessons from The Richest Man in Babylon. First, pay yourself first by saving at least 10% of your income. Second, live below your means to avoid unnecessary debt. Third, make your money work for you by investing wisely. Fourth, seek wise counsel to avoid costly mistakes. And finally, be persistent and take action. Wealth is built over time, not overnight. These timely principles can transform your financial future starting today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Invest, Read, Repeat for more insights from the best financial books. Remember, The journey to wealth begins with a single step. So take that step now.